Hi guys, we're back.
Yo, it's Bean and Alexa back with another game, Tyke and Sin's Lemon Co video. We're gonna do part 3.
3 or 4? It was 4.
No, it's 3.
4.
No, it's 3.
Guys, say what round of playtime Lumber Co is this?
Okay, what's our task? A rock farm for a customer. Oh yeah, I remember. Alright, where?
Guys, remember, that was a good burp.
It was a really good
We found sweet rock. Sweet.
How do we make a rock? Flower pot. What do you think we can get a flower pot?
I don't know from one of these stupid guys. Mini rock, we need 3 mini rocks. Guys, if you guys think he's creepy and where is his body, tell us in the comments.
Let's go. Alright, if we don't find our customer.
Oh!
I don't like that.
If you guys think that's a glizzy, write glizzy in the comments. The water pot.
Ooh, broke.
Wait.
I have an idea. Sell your lumber, 5 lumber for 5 coins. Do you have any lumber? I'm gonna make lumber.
Guys, if you guys can hear us now, tell us in the comments, please.
Never living coins. Ew.
If you guys want to see us, you can go anywhere in Syracuse. We're in Syracuse.
Well, no, I don't think. Okay, so yeah, if we don't find our customer in this video, please tell us in the comments, if we don't find the customer in this video, please do tell us in the comments.
We need to know.
Yeah, we need to know so we can get more of the game for y'all.
Oh!
Oh, they grow
No,
like
I
they grow.
do think, oh no.
Make some lumber.
If you guys have a brother or sister, comment down in the below.
Yeah, comment below.
Cause I got a brother.
Sell your lumber.
And who do you have?
Sister.
Guys, if you ever hear us
Need one
fighting a little bit, tell us in the comments.
Let's go.
Sometimes
Need more wood. Oh, what the heck?
we don't
I just killed that bird.
fight on camera because we're like,
Cause we gotta be full focus on the game for y'all.
yeah. Wait, I could.
No. Water. Quicker. Oh, you can hold it.
Yeah, you can hold it.
Oh, no. Oh, no, you gotta spin it. Hit it. Get him. Oh, no. Oh, that was so delicious tree. Skinny, you gotta keep pressing the button. You can't just hold it. Oh, no.
That's some delicious
Tree. Yeah.
That was some delicious candy. If you guys have Oculus, if you guys want to play with us, comment down below. Because we have two actually. I have one. He has one. He has Oculus 3. I have the Oculus 2. I have the Oculus 2.
Guys, if you made it this far in the video, comment your favorite pizza topping.
Comment your favorite sandwich.
Favorite sandwich.
Yeah.
No, actually, comment your favorite type of tree. If you're this far in the video, comment your favorite type of tree.
Actually, comment your favorite type of bird or flower.
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna pause this. Guys, comment down your favorite flower.
Yeah, comment down below your favorite type of flower.
Or else. If you get a knuckle sandwich.
Whoa!
I just hit the screen.
Now, hey, some lumber. Wow, that could have been useful a couple seconds ago. Give me a flower pot. Yoink. Where's our customer?
Guys, you guys want another video? Comment down below. Cheese or flower?
Cheese or flower?
Cheese or flower? Or tree? Do anything that rhymes with tree, except for 3. You can't put 3.
Why not 3?
That's too easy.
I'm just chilling in the sand. I see people with money here, but you might find some of it in the sand. Shoot the chip-o-mats. Get 300 points and I'll give you something.
How many points did you say?
300. I just got a 19. No, it's not gonna work. Ah. I'm locked in.
If you guys want to play this, it's called Playtime Lumber.
No, don't. Alright, guys, if any of you guys want to play this game, it's called Tyke and Sin's Lumber Co. You can download it on GameCube. Ooh, an acorn. We already have one of those.
We got 2. We did the lumber code. Got 3 mini rocks.
Wait, again.
Golden acorn. That's your 3rd one. Isn't it?
Yeah, it was the third one.
Let me see. I didn't see it.
Three.
3.
How do we use them?
What?
I don't know, maybe tree?
Twig. I'm a
So we gotta go in here. Ooh, she's looking a baddie. Do you want to voice act? Cause it's a girl.
It's so nice to finally talk to Mike. Your father has always kept you safe in the cabin. I only met you once back when you were a fetus.
Good job.
Maybe a little older than that. I'm sure you will meet many nice people now that you can explain freely.
Explore freely.
Yeah, your father has always had a obsession with safety thinking the world is dangerous and whatnot. But trust me, funny things happen to him too back when I was young lad. Traveling the sea.
Ow!
I returned from
You want me to stop?
I retired from that years ago. I own a company now called Seabill Industries.
Good job.
We build routes and ship team all over the world. You could say that it in some way sea traveling is still involved.
Wow, you're really a yapper.
No. Okay, where do we go?
Poke the crab, please. Okay.
Wait, how do you move?
I'm gonna build one of our cocktail bars here. We're simply missing the needed materials. I need bamboo. Ow.
Bad.
What did I do?
Bad Alex.
What did I do? Oh, palm branches. I need those. Lumber, I need that.
You've been getting lumber ever since we started. When are you gonna stop?
Never.
Guys, I'm taking a nap.
What, on me?
On Alexa. Alexa?
Being done.
Alexa, put your hand down. Please let me have a nap. If you guys want to know our ages,
It's to be done. They don't need to know. Just...
guys, write down in the comments if you want to hear our ages.
Yeah. Okay, I need 15 lumbar. Lumbar.
Lumber.
Lumbar.
Lumber.
Lumbar. Alright, she's taking a nap. I'm gonna continue playing this game though. Make this video as long as possible for y'all. We got around 30 more seconds, but
guys, by the way, if you guys want a second video of this, like the